In the heart of Mexico City, where bustling streets and towering skyscrapers reign supreme, lies a hidden oasis, Casa O. This architectural masterpiece seamlessly blends the boundaries between interior and exterior spaces, creating an intimate and harmonious retreat for its discerning residents. The architects of Casa O were guided by a simple yet profound philosophy to create a dwelling that embraces the beauty of its natural surroundings while providing a functional and private sanctuary for its inhabitants. This vision is evident in every aspect of the design, from the minimalist facade to the carefully curated landscaping. Stepping through the threshold of Casa O is like entering a world of serenity and sophistication. The interior spaces flow effortlessly, blurring the lines between indoors and outdoors. Large windows frame breathtaking views of the garden, inviting nature into every room. The choice of materials in Casa O is not merely aesthetic, it is a testament to the architect's deep respect for the environment. Natural elements like wood and stone bring warmth and authenticity to the spaces, while concrete provides a sense of solidity and permanence. Lighting plays a crucial role in the overall ambience of Casa O. The architects have masterfully utilized natural light to create a sense of spaciousness and connection with the outdoors. At night, artificial lighting is used sparingly, emphasizing the intimate and cozy atmosphere of the home. Casa O is more than just a house. It is an embodiment of architectural excellence and a testament to the power of design to create a haven of tranquility amidst the urban chaos. It is a place where one can truly escape the pressures of the outside world and immerse oneself in the beauty of nature and the comfort of home.